Hello, this is an overview of how to attend a Fuze meeting for your professional development course through the Jesuit Virtual Learning Academy. The first thing you should be mindful of or aware of is sort of a couple of points on the pre-meeting, things to have. First of all, a Mac or a PC computer or a smartphone. There is a smartphone application for Fuze. Second thing would be a headset and mic. That reduces feedback noise if you go through the computer speakers. And then the third thing is a stable internet connection. So those things would be really, really helpful to have beforehand. Then once the meeting is ready to take place, you'll receive in your email inbox an invitation. So you would just go to that. I sent an invitation to myself. And there is a calendar function, but we're not going to worry about that right now. Unless you wanted to, you could click yes, and it would go into your calendar if you have a Google Calendar. There's also an Outlook version as well. But the key element here is the link right down here, Join Online Meeting. So when you're ready to go, you click that on and it'll take you to the meeting room through Fuze. The next thing you'll see is your preference before you. The first time you log on, there may be a small file that Fuze asks to upload to your computer. And that's fine, it's good. So you'll be asked a few questions before you sign in. Camera will be on. You can turn that on or off. Mic will be muted. You can turn that on or off. But then you can click Enter the Meeting. The next thing you see once you enter the meeting is will be little rectangles or squares or so with first and last initials symbolizing Steve Hessler in this case. And you'll hear a beep until the meeting starts. And a couple of features of Fuze that would be good to be aware of ahead of time. First of all, the chat window right down here in the lower right. You can send messages to the group or to the teacher or instructor. I'm just typing hello, and then it appears in the upper right. So that's one way to keep in contact. The other way, of course, is with the mic audio. You can turn that on and off. Here's mine down here. Right now it's muted. If I were to turn it on, I could speak directly to the group and to the presenter. And a third way of getting attention is you can, up in the upper right hand, you can click on your flag. That'll let the presenter know that you have a question or a concern that needs attention. And finally, it would be good to know that as Jesuit Virtual Learning Academy, or the JVLA way, is participatory, you may find yourself being invited to present some material. And you can do that easily. The organizer of the meeting can make you a presenter, and then just down here in the middle of the screen, in dead center, you click that on, and then you can add content either from your computer. You can add files here from Fuze, Dropbox, I don't know what that is, or your hard drive, your own computer, and you could just, like if you have a PowerPoint, you can add that, and then it'll appear right here. It also comes with a whiteboard, a notepad that you can type on. You can also share your screen over here on the right, or share an application that you may have running on your computer. Finally, on those rare occasions when a participant can't join a particular meeting, the organizer of the meeting has in the lower right here the option of recording and emailing a link to you so that you can hear the recording of the proceedings that took place. So that's a quick overview of Fuze meeting, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks very much.